Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a lovely 2000 Bayliner Capri 2352. Bayliner is a widely prominent brand in the terrain of the United States. And the Capri line is relatively quiet and speedy. This model provides a respectable performance. Features include a swim platform, wash-down shower on a swim platform for rinsing after swimming, and a three-step drop-down ladder. The boat is equipped with a Mercruiser Alpha I engine. The fuel tank has a capacity of 246 liters. It is an equal of 64 US gallons.
Actually, the boat is very clean. The seats are in really good shape. The boat is featured with a tilt steering wheel, Garmin, depth finder, AM and FM stereo. We have down below. The boat comes with a canvas cover and additional completely absolutely new bimini top. This is one owner boat, of course. She has never been chartered. The owner is selling this boat because very rarely use her. He is a very busy person. So she is with a very low hours. Interior is slightly used despite of her age, regularly serviced and maintained by the careful owner, always stored in a dry storage.
Okay, let's go inside. It's a really nice and perfectly clean cabin. A sink over on your starboard side. A stove right there. Here we have storage under the knees of your cushion in the cabin. The cabin can accommodate a comfortable sleepover for the family or friends looking for some quality time on the water. Here we have a restroom and a removable table, which can be set in the middle between this cushion. This is a walk-through windshield, so you can get to the bow.
Here is an engine, very clean. The gel coat shows really well. The deep V hull will handle the chop of the big water. She will bring you into the skinny water close to the beach. The boat deck offers ample space to launch in the sun. This boat is located near Miami, Florida. Come to see this boat and you will be pleasantly surprised. She just arrived on the market and is ready for a new owner. If you plan on enjoying your summer on the water with family and friends, this is your boat. For more information or making an appointment, text or call me, send me a mail or leave a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope to hear back from you. Have a wonderful day.